Welcome to my channel Asim Guru. How is insurance done in US? Each month you make a payment to each insurance such as Medicare of your insurance company. Such some employers in for this payment. In return, your insurance cover all the sum of Medicare cost as along of follow insurance rule. How do you get health insurance in America? The Fort Care ACT give more people to health insurance. Use health insurance to find health insurance. This opportunity this obtain can include Medicare, Visa and more. Learn if you are from covered paying toward a Medicare marketplace. How much insurance in USA per month? On a single person pay about 117 a month employees coverage and $477 a month from one pain and health insurance marketplace from before a subside. Beside monthly health insurance experience include the coverage spending to meet your dedicate. In insurance required US visa. Why the travel insurance for US visa? It is equal to get properly travel insurance for this US. You can uncomfortable situated with traveling to and from the country and while you are this include airplane lost passport accident and sickness. Please like and subscribe this video, share this